रीड करो.
What is the most likely cause of this patient current condition? 34-year-old man admitted to the hospital following laparotomy for a gunshot wound. He received 5-unit packed red blood cell during surgery. Prophylactic perioperative ampicillin sulbactam was given, and the patient performed incentive spirometry. On post-operative day 6, he developed a fever of 38.7. Post-operative day. And day 6. And blood pressure 120/76, pulse 97, respiration 14. On examination, the patient is alert and no acute distress. The oropharynx is clear. Cardiopulmonary examination normal. Abdomen is soft and non-tender, and there is no discharge from the wound. He has a right internal jugular triple lumen catheter and Foley's catheter in place. The extremity had no swelling or erythema. 2 days later, blood culture of the sample taken from the triple lumen catheter. And peripheral side grow coagulase negative staphylococci in 4 of 4 bottle. What is the likely cause of this patient current condition?
A. Blood culture contamination.
Coagulase negative, na? Coagulase negative means to epidermidis.
स्किन पे होता है नॉर्मली. ए. मैं मर जाऊंगा अभी. कैथेटर रिलेटेड ब्लड स्ट्रीम इन्फेक्शन.
Epidermidis, na? That's why.
नाइस. नाइस. नाइस.
Coagulase positive to just staph aureus that is present in the skin. And the epidermidis is for catheter related, catheter prosthetic valve like this. And I think saprophyticus is for urinary tract infection. No? Okay,
सही.
same flowchart or diagram. Tissue trauma blood product. Read करो.
ये पिक्चर इन्होंने यहाँ क्यों दी है? तो हमने कल की थी वैसे. 0 से 6 घंटे में टिश्यू ट्रॉमा, ब्लड प्रोडक्ट्स, मैलिग्नेंट हाइपरथर्मिया. 24 से 1 घंटा यानी एक्यूट वाला नोजोकोमियल इन्फेक्शन, SSI 1 जिसमें स्ट्रैप ग्रुप ए स्ट्रेप्टोकोकस और क्लस्ट्रीडियम परफ्रिंजेंस. ठीक है, कैथेटर साइट इन्फेक्शन की बात कर रहे हैं. नॉन इन्फेक्शियस MI, PE और DVT. SSI 2 कैथेटर साइट इन्फेक्शन. SSI 2 में अदर ऑर्गेनिज्म जैसे ग्रुप ए स्ट्रेप्टोकोकस और क्लस्ट्रीडियम परफ्रिंजेंस और कैथेटर साइट इन्फेक्शंस. Clostridioides, formerly Clostridium difficile, drug fever, PE, DVT. Viral infections, SSI 3 due to indolent organisms. मेरे ख्याल से ये कैथेटर वाले के लिए इन्होंने दिया हुआ है.
Catheter site SSI or catheter site infection. So ये catheter site infection and it occurred in day 6 ना. तो acute infection.
ठीक है, रीड करो.
Okay. This patient developed fever on post-operative day 6 and suspected blood culture growth coagulase negative staphylococci. Although this minimally virulent skin commensal flora organism, a common blood culture contaminant. The presence of growth in 4 of 4 bottle from both the catheter and the peripheral venous site suggests a bloodstream infection rather than the contamination. Achha. Catheter-related bloodstream infection typically occur more than 48 hours after catheter insertion. Most cases are due to migration of the skin commensal through the catheter lumen or around the exterior of the catheter into the vessel lumen. Although Enterococcus, Staph aureus, and Candida are often isolated, the most common cause of catheter-related bloodstream infection is cons. Cons means Staphylococcus epidermidis. And patients usually have fever, poorness, erythema around the catheter insertion site, but these manifestations are not always present. If the infection is left untreated, sepsis, hypotension, tachycardia frequently develop. Patient with suspected CRBSI should have 2 sets of blood culture, one set from the peripheral site and one set from the catheter. This helps differentiate contaminated. 1 of 4 culture is positive from the true infection. 4 of 4 culture are positive. Acha. With cons, other microbiological features that suggest infection rather than the contamination include growth in both aerobic and anaerobic bottle and multiple blood culture with same organism with the exact same drug susceptibility. Empiric broad spectrum antibiotics are typically administered until culture result return. Hmm. That means 4 out of 4 culture is positive. That is very indicative, na? Now other option. Option C. Choice C. Risks of urinary tract infection increase when Foley's catheter are in place for more than 3 days. Although this patient Foley's catheter likely been placed since the operation, most Foley's catheter related infection are caused by gram-negative enteric organisms such as E. coli. Cons is an atypical cause of urinary tract infection. Choice D. Hospital-acquired pneumonia occur more than 48 hours after admission. Although this patient has been hospitalized for 6 days, normal pulmonary examination and respiratory rate make pneumonia unlikely. In addition, cause would be an atypical cause of pneumonia. Most hospital-acquired pneumonia are caused by gram-negative bacilli, Pseudomonas, Klebsiella, E. coli, Streptococcus, or Staph aureus. Then surgical site infection. Surgical site infection is a common cause of post-operative fever, but patients usually have sign of infection at the surgical site. Erythema, purulence, wound disease. Transfusion transmitted bacterial infection due to bacteria transmitted from the donor blood or skin or from environmental contamination can cause high fever, but most cases present within 30 minutes of the transfusion or 6 days later. In addition, the most common cause is gram-negative organism rather than cons. Then coagulous negative staphylococci are the most common cause of catheter-related bloodstream infection, although coagulous negative staphylococci frequent blood culture contaminant bloodstream infection is likely in patients who have blood culture within more than 2 bottles, growth in more than 2 bottles, both aerobic and anaerobic with the same organism and drug susceptibility. Okay, done.